Welcome to Day 3 of the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Today, you'll learn useful shopping vocabulary through a real conversation at a clothing store. Hi, excuse me, I'm looking for a clothing store with fashionable clothes.
Sure, the clothing store you want is right over there.
Hi. Hi, welcome. This store has a big fashion section with jackets, shoes, and more.
Great! I want to buy a black jacket for my shopping trip.
Sure. What size do you need? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Here's a comfortable jacket. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
The fitting room is next to the cashier and near the sales section.
Okay. Perfect. Oh, wow, this jacket looks good in the mirror.
Yes, it looks very fashionable and comfortable on you.
Thank you. How much is the price?
The price is $50, but today there's a discount because of the big sale.
Nice. Some clothes here are expensive, but this jacket is pretty cheap.
That's true. Would you like to buy the jacket?
Yes. Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap your card here.
Done. Thank you for your help today. I really enjoy shopping here.
You're welcome.
Amazing job. Now let's learn the important shopping words one by one with easy explanations and visuals. Shopping. Shopping means buying things from stores. Store. A store is a place to buy things. Jacket. A jacket is a piece of clothing that keeps you warm. Shoes. Shoes are things people wear on their feet. Subscribe our channel and join the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Don't miss a new English lesson every day. Section. A section is one part of a store. Looking for? Looking for means searching for something. Black. Black is a dark color. Medium. Medium is a size between small and large. Try on. To try on clothes means to wear them to see if they fit. Fitting room. A fitting room is a place where people try on clothes. Next to. Next to means very close to something. For example, this box is next to me. Cashier. A cashier is a person who receives customers' payments. Comfortable. Comfortable means feeling good and easy to wear. Looks good. Looks good means has a nice appearance. Price. Price is the cost of something. How much? How much means asking about the price of something. Dollars. Dollars are a unit of money in America. Discount. A discount means paying less than the usual price. Enjoy. Enjoy means liking something and feeling happy about it. Clothes. Clothes are items people wear on their bodies. Buy. Buy means getting something by paying money. Customer. A customer is a person who buys things from a store. Sale. A sale is a time when stores sell things at lower prices. Expensive. Expensive means costing a lot of money. Cheap. Cheap means low in price. Mirror. A mirror is something that reflects your image. Fashion. Fashion means popular styles of clothes. Great job today! In Day 4, you'll learn English for visiting a doctor. Don't miss it. Subscribe our channel and join the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Don't miss a new English lesson every day.